Imagine slashing your AI token usage by 75% and still getting better answers. That's exactly what a new technique in prompt engineering is making possible. It's called chain of draft, and it just might replace the classic chain of thought method you've been using. Before we go deeper, make sure to like this video, subscribe for more AI insights, and drop a comment if you've tried chain of thought prompting before. Now, if you're familiar with chain of thought, you know it tells generative AI to reason step by step. It's great for depth, logic, and clarity. But here's the downside. It often gets wordy, slow, and expensive. That's where chain of draft, or COD, changes the game. COD builds on chain of thought, but with one key difference. It adds boundaries. You instruct the AI to think step by step and limit each step to a minimum draft, or even just a few words. Example: COT prompt. Think step by step to answer this. COD prompt. Think step by step, but only keep a minimum draft for each thinking step. Advanced. COD. Add 5 words max per step for ultra-terse replies. This technique improves focus, avoids fluff, and speeds up response time. In fact, when testing a simple project planning task, COT used 120 tokens. The COD version? Just 35 tokens, about 1/4 the cost. It's especially useful when you want sharp, actionable answers, not long explanations. And even if you aren't paying per token, you're likely on a capped limit. So using COD helps stretch your AI usage further. There's solid research behind this too. A 2025 paper titled Chain of Draft: Thinking Faster by Writing Less confirmed that COD matches or even beats COT in accuracy, while using only 7.6% of the tokens. Bottom line, chain of draft belongs in every prompt engineer's toolkit. It's precise, fast, and efficient. Use COT when you want rich exploration. Use COD when you want clean, punchy logic. And don't be afraid to start with COD, then switch to COT if you need more depth. Want to go deeper? Check out the related video in the corner and start sharpening your prompts today.